Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the machine. Unplug Ethernet or turn off Wi-Fi so malware can't call home. Once done, reboot into safe mode with networking if you must download tools. Make sure you have an admin account ready and an external USB for backups. Download 2 reputable anti-malware tools, plus the latest Windows 10 security updates on another clean device if necessary. This reduces active threats and gives you a controlled environment for the next removal steps. You now run full system scans with both anti-malware tools. Run one after the other to catch what the other might miss. While scans run, open Auto Runs and Task Manager to inspect startup entries and scheduled tasks. Disable anything unfamiliar, but don't delete yet. Once scans finish, quarantine or remove confirmed threats and record file paths and hashes. Then use Windows Defender Offline or a bootable scanner to catch rootkits. This layered approach helps remove hidden components thoroughly. You finish by applying all Windows 10 updates and changing every password used on the PC, starting with admin and email accounts. Make sure System Restore is enabled and verify backups before restoring files. Scan restored files on a clean machine first. Reinstall apps only from trusted sources and harden settings. Enable Windows Defender real-time protection, enable firewall, and turn on controlled folder access. If malware persists or system instability continues,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.